So I haven't been able to do swatches. I just really need to rest because I was out 3 days last week early in the morning. I only had that Monday when I rushed off to get these things, and then Thursday I couldn't even move. Friday I had a doctor's appointment, and that's when I went by where my brother lives. The Walmart out there had all the SpongeBob. Well, it had the SpongeBob display, and it had the Fantasy Makers display. SpongeBob was completely cleaned out, and in the Fantasy Makers of Shadows, I think was the pink and the red were sold out. But I saw they had a couple of the bronzy one, and tomorrow I'm going into Alvin to try and get another brown. They didn't touch the shadows, but they touched the glitter, and pretty much the glitter is just on top. So they pretty much took the glitter, and I kept saying something's weird. I thought it was something in production, and then as I was taking the pictures, I noticed it was open. So I don't know why people are so dang nasty. This is COVID. You're sticking your fingers in makeup that women are going to be putting on their eyes and their face, man. Have some freaking consideration. That's just gross. It's disgusting. You know, you can always take it home, and if you don't like it, you can return it. Walmart has an awesome return policy. That's just not necessary, and it's just gross. It's disgusting. Um, so anyway, and I showed you, you know, pictures. I did get my Barbie. It's beautiful, that collection. I did place the last order, and I honestly, I'm already expecting to have to either go pick it up at the post office or have to go to the office to get it, which is ridiculous. They say they need a signature. I guess they just don't want to waste time going door to door. But, you know, that's not right. They keep lying and saying, I'm right. This is a small apartment. I could hear the knock downstairs. There's no way I didn't hear that knock. You know, I thought the regular mailman was cool. I thought it was just a Saturday mailman that, you know, did stupid things like return my mail. Anyway, and as you could see, all the white, it makes me look like I'm bald, but all the white is coming out, and it's time. See, the dark brown is coming out. It's time to bleach, so I don't know if I'm gonna do it this week. I haven't even been able to do my pills. I've just been so tired. I thought I could rest on Saturday because I was out all day. I mean, all day Friday. I didn't get home till I think like 8 or 9 at night. So Saturday I just wanted to rest, and it starts. My daughter's phone broke. She has insurance. She got a new phone, and it took all. It makes no sense. Took all of my husband's contacts and put it in her phone. Took all her contacts and put it on my husband's phone. That makes no sense. And then she deleted it, not understanding what's going. You know, why did I get this? You know, so she just deleted it, which means my husband's information was gone. So we spent the morning talking to Apple to help us fix it, help her get her own email, her own contacts and emails, and then my husband. Thank goodness they have this thing where you can download your information from a few days earlier. So that was good. He was able to get it because that's for work. He had 540 contacts. So that's happening all day Saturday. I just didn't get to rest. It was like one thing happening after another that day. Some family issues that I'm not sure if I should talk about, but it doesn't have to do with my family. But yeah, maybe one day we'll get into that story. But so it was just constant, just, you know, all day, one issue after another. So the only day I really had to rest was yesterday. And then my daughter's not feeling well, so I need to take her to the doctor tomorrow. That was the first appointment they had, so I was like, let's do it. So I'm gonna be in Alvin where her doctor's, and I'm gonna hopefully they'll still have the brown colors, and I'll be able to exchange it. If not, after appointment, I'm gonna hit the Walmarts that I don't have it. Supposedly my two Walmarts made me have it. I went to the one that's a little bit further away. They didn't have it. I went to mine 2 or 3 times. They still don't have it. And you know, as usual, the girls there don't know nothing, and oh well, if it says we have it, but you don't see it, then we don't have it. Another girl was mad because same thing. And basically they do have it. It's just in the back somewhere. They don't want to put it out. That's basically the problem. So I just wanted to check out the SpongeBob. Ulta was supposed to release SpongeBob yesterday. And I just wanted to see if they had the box set and how much. They did not have the box set, and they were like missing one or two items from the collection. So my only temptation is that supposedly Wet n Wild will be releasing it tomorrow, and it's $70, whereas it was $50 on Amazon, and with my points, I'm getting it for half of the 70. I'm getting it for 35. So my only temptation will be, but then, you know, I have to tell myself, you know, I'm not going to get it from Walmart for probably 2 weeks. I mean, from Wet n Wild for 2 weeks. I might as well just let Amazon do it. But the problem is that even though, and they're trying to get more, Amazon says they're trying to restock. Supposedly, Amazon's can't guarantee shipping until the 28th, and tomorrow's the 20th. So I'm not really sure what that's all about. So, I don't know, but they're just saying that they were taking the pre-orders. It's supposed to become available tomorrow, but it won't ship until the 20th. So, I'm not really sure what that's all about. So they're saying that I won't even see it until the 30th. I do have Amazon Prime, so I'll get, you know, like next day shipping or 2-day shipping. So that'll be my only temptation tomorrow when it becomes available on the website. Just trying to think if there's anything else. Well, just that neither the Fantasy Makers nor the SpongeBob it's really weird. I have been looking and looking and looking for it to come up on the website so that I can see what is exactly available. Since I wasn't resting Saturday anyway, I did put up that video of the stuff I got. I did notice that the shadows were different, so I just said, let me buy them all. And yeah, they've got, as you can see, they've got at least between 1 to 3 colors are going to be different in each palette from the ones from last year. So I can look it up and it won't come up. But when I was at Walmart that day asking them, where is this? It says you have it. Up popped SpongeBob highlighters. And I wish that I would have taken a snapshot of it because it didn't come up again. I've been trying to find. There is nothing on the website for you to look at. But yet it popped up when I was there that it was on the Walmart website. So I didn't find it again. Then like I said, when I was in the Alvin Walmart getting my stuff, up popped the highlighter, that illuminator, the pink one called Seeing Rainbows, and I was like, wait, did I get this? I said, oh yeah, it's the one that was hiding underneath, because you can barely see it, and never found that again either. And I would like to see, you know, the whole collection online. I'm hoping that if Wet n Wild has the audacity to actually announce it, that it will give us a link, because I can't find that collection at Walmart anywhere, and I want to see everything that's supposedly in this collection. So far we know that there's 2 highlighters, maybe there's more. We know like they're you know, eye crayons are different. Half are the same, half are different. Nail polishes, most are the same. A few are different. Eyeliners I thought were exactly the same, the glitter liners, and then I, you know, found the like that rosy colored one, so I got the rosy colored liner and the rosy colored body gel, which doesn't come in a jar anymore. It comes in a tube. I'm gonna assume that so that it doesn't dry out as fast. So yeah, I think Wet n Wild is like, what the frig, man. It's like, we're complaining to you about it last year, and you know, they didn't, they don't care. They don't care. And if they do carry it, it won't be till Halloween, and it'll only be like half of what was available. So So let's see what happens with that. I really hope it's not exclusive to Walmart. I'm just glad I was able to find it, quickly. Um, Again, the places that I have a feeling have it, um, but they wasn't answering their phone. It says online only one thing. There's only one thing that comes up, and it's the glitter body gel in the tube. And so that's how been looking out for where I can get this. And it said that they do have it at the places that I know usually carry it. But again, that's neither here nor there, because they might not have put it out yet. They might have it in the back, or, because like they told me that, the last year that it was at mine. And it was 2 weeks before they actually put it out, so. So anyway, look at this. This was such a pretty pastel purple, but now it's starting to go gray right here. But anyway, yeah, it is time to bleach. And I'm gonna put pastels in this time. But yeah, so anyway, so that's that. So that's it. That's all I can think of. So anyway, tomorrow the SpongeBob collection will be available at Wet n Wild. The PR box is $70. Anyway, okay, I think basically that's it, since my nails were breaking from cleaning. I haven't been taking my biotin. They did my blood work, and it's like the second time they tell me I shouldn't be taking biotin. So I just wound up just cutting them all down again. So far so good with these two, but I did buy a new gel. The fiber thingy, so that I can, because they break all the way down. It's horrible. So yeah, so that's the story with that. So anyway, okay, I will see you guys next week. I'm gonna try and rest as much as possible this week. So I'm not even sure I'll be able to get the swatches out or not this week. But anyway, hopefully, I'll be able to get this new shadow. If not, I'm just gonna have to put alcohol on this, leave it overnight sitting in alcohol, and hope that, that should be enough. But so yeah, I will see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.